Hi guys, this is Gal from the WordPress channel, and earlier today I had a customer asking me how she can increase the width of her Elementor website in all the pages. And she did look in Google for a tutorial, but she couldn't find one, so I thought I will create one because it's very simple. And let me show you just how you can do it. So the way you are going to do it, you will go to the dashboard and you will go into Elementor and you will go to settings and you will go into style. And right here we can see that there are a few default values that we can change. So the default value for the content width is 1140, and let me just change it, for example, to 800, and let me save. And we can see that we just changed the width of the website to 800 pixels. And just to make it even more extreme, let me put something even more extreme, like 150. We'll never want to do this, you can't. So smaller is 300. So let's do it in 300. And let me show you. You can see the difference. And we can also increase it to something like this. And now it's very big. It actually takes all the width of my specific screen. And if we delete it, it will go back to the default of 1140. So that's it, guys. It's very simple. Again, you are going to Elementor in your dashboard, settings, style, and content width. And by the way, you can see that there are a few other settings that you can change here. For example, the tablet breakpoint and the mobile breakpoint when you make a responsive website. I'm not saying that you should change it, but if you want to know how to do it, this is the way to do it. Thank you, guys.